Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull paper trading for beginners. Paper trading is a fantastic tool that lets you practice investing in the stock market without using any real money. It's like a financial sandbox where you can test strategies and learn the platform's features. Webull provides a robust paper trading environment, giving you a virtual balance, often $1 million, to simulate real market conditions. This is perfect for building confidence before you commit actual funds. Getting started with Webull paper trading is straightforward. First, open your Webull application or access the desktop platform. You'll find the paper trading section easily, often under the menu or trade tab. Once there, you can activate your virtual account. Webull typically provides a generous starting balance, usually $1 million, allowing you ample funds to practice various trades and explore different investment opportunities without any real financial commitment. Now let's place your first virtual trade. Search for any stock or option you're interested in, just as you would for a live trade. When you're ready to execute, make sure to select the paper trade option, not the trade button, to ensure you're using virtual funds. Experiment with various order types, such as market orders for immediate execution, limit orders for specific prices, and stop orders to manage potential losses. This hands-on practice is invaluable. Monitoring your paper trading performance is crucial for learning. Webull allows you to track your virtual portfolio's profit and loss in real time, just like a real account. Regularly review your trading history to understand what strategies worked well and which ones didn't. This analysis helps refine your approach. If you ever want to start over with a fresh virtual balance, Webull provides an easy option to reset your paper trading account, offering endless practice opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.